Welcome to our channel, Trade with China. Have you thought about starting to do business with China, but do not know how to start up or afraid of the whole process? In the next 10 minutes, we will show the entire end-to-end process of importing from China. Selecting products, finding factories, negotiating, ordering, quality control, shipping, and customs clearance. Follow these steps to save time, cut costs, and avoid costly mistakes. Use product selection and market validation. Key criteria: differentiation, add design tweaks, unique packaging, or a strong brand story to stand out. B. Profitability. Target products retailing between $20 and $100 with at least 30% net margin die. Logistics. Prioritize lightweight, compact goods to minimize warehousing and shipping fees. D. Feasibility. Your target country allows this to be imported to the country, and the products meet its standard. Suggestion: try unique, ordinary daily use products and niche markets where not so many competitors. But be careful if you want to select trending products, which requires strong market insights, adequate distribution system, and strong promotion ability. Don't import low-value but large-demand products, which requires warehouse and shipping. Validation tools: Amazon's bestseller lists and eBay watch lists. Jungle Scout for monthly sales data and seasonality on Amazon. Google Trends to gauge search interest by customer reviews to identify pain points you can improve. Pro tip: if you're new, start with niche products, lower competition and faster traction. Finding reliable suppliers. Online platforms: Alibaba, Global Sources, Made in China, DeGate, 1688, Yiwugo.com for thousands of B2B suppliers, AliExpress, Shein, as B2C channels. Google search, manufacturer China, to find factories, own websites, LinkedIn, Facebook, search industry groups and decision-maker profiles. Offline channels: Canton Fair, Guangdong, Spring and Autumn, 3 phases covering electronics, gifts, textiles. Global Sources, Hong Kong, strong on electronics and fashion accessories with educational seminars. Usually 2 days ahead of Canton Fair. If you have the opportunity to go on site, Hong Kong is just 2 hours away from Canton, so suggest you to go both. Yiwu and Guangzhou, wholesale markets, quick small batch sourcing for many SKUs. Other specified wholesale markets, but not so typical and economic to visit, so here I do not list. Also, there are other fairs, such as CIIE in Shanghai, High-Tech Fair in Shenzhen, Service Trade Fair in Beijing, according to your needs. You can review my previous video about which fairs to attend. You can also find sourcing company to help you to find reliable manufacturers or suppliers to produce or purchase goods at competitive prices. This will help you save time and fight the culture and language barriers. They act as a bridge between buyers and factories, managing tasks like supplier vetting, price negotiation, quality inspection, and shipping coordination. For entrepreneurs and e-commerce sellers, especially those new to international trade, a good sourcing agent can significantly reduce risks and save both time and money in the procurement process. The top 3 sourcing agents in China: CJ Dropshipping, CIIE, Liline Sourcing. You can compare to select the one fits your needs. I put link below in comments. Screening checklist to company history. 3 years with in-house factory or stable OEM clients. Valid export license, ISO, CE, UL, GS, TUV certifications. Experience exporting to your target market, e.g., USA, EU. Question for you: which channel do you plan to use first? Drop it in the comments. 3. Professional communication and negotiation. Inquiry email essentials: detailed spec sheet, dimensions, materials, colors, testing standards. Packaging and labeling requirement. Target MOQ, minimum order quantity. Target FOB price and delivery timeline. Your company info and logo. Negotiation strategy. Get quotes from at least 3 factories. For price and lead time comparison, negotiate directly with the decision maker, owner, or senior manager. Present, a solid business case for long-term cooperation. Leverage, trial orders before committing to full MOQ Pro. Tip, larger order volumes, stronger bargaining power, placing orders and payment terms. Purchase order, PO. Must have so exact part numbers, quantities, unit and total prices, Incoterms, FOB, CF, DDP, and named ports. O payment terms, commonly 30% deposit, plus 70% balance before shipment. Signatures and red company chops on all pages, PO, contract, sample confirmation. Payment methods OTT, bank transfer. PayPal, letter of credit, LC, use PayPal for small, urgent orders. Use LC for large orders to mitigate risk. Warning, never pay 100% upfront without verifying supplier credentials. Samples and quality control. Golden, sample, finalize an exact sample matching your specs. Keep 2 copies, one for your reference, one signed and returned to the factory as the production benchmark. Mid-production inspection, MPI. At 20–80% completion, check randomly selected parts for defects and process issues. Pre-shipment inspection, PSI. At about 80% completion, inspect 10–20% of items against AQL standards. 2.5% major defects. Approve or reject before shipment. Recommended QC providers, Asia inspection, InTouch QC, international SOPs, photo reports, clear pass, fail metrics. Remember, QC identifies defects but doesn't correct design flaws. Communicate issues early. Logistics and customs clearance. Shipping options are courier, 500 kilo, DHL, UPS TNT, 5 to 7 days, 6–7 kilograms to North America. Air freight, 500 kilo. Lower dimensional weight. Saves 30% versus courier. Sea freight, 2M3. FCL, full container. Or LCL, less than container. Rail, intermodal, eco-friendly. Slower than sea, good for Europe. Key documents are exporter side, contract, commercial invoice. Packing list, bill of lading, certificate of origin. Importer side, same 5 plus product-specific certificates. CE, FDA, FCC, ROHS. Check HS code to estimate duty and VAT in advance. Choosing a freight forwarder. Select one with cross-border e-commerce expertise for door-to-door service. CIIE, DDP. Compare. Quotes on routes and port costs before committing. Risk alert. LCL shipments are handled multiple times. Insist on robust waterproof, drop-proof packaging and clear labeling. Receipt, listing and after sales. Goods, receipt, verify quantities, chart condition against BL and packing list at local warehouse. Platform listing, adhere to marketplace rules, Amazon FBA labeling, eBay item specifics, custom site SKUs. Collect feedback. Survey customers post-delivery to improve the next production run. Which step seems hardest? Let me know in the comments. Your feedback drives my next deep dive episode. You've just seen the complete China import roadmap, from product research, supplier sourcing, negotiation, ordering, QC, logistics, customs, listing. Follow these steps and implement the pro tips to import smarter, faster, and at lower cost. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for weekly updates. We will follow up opportunities and changes in trades with China and share with you. Drop your questions below. I'll answer them private or in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Trade with China.